now.
This place is good now.
Which way is this place? It's not your hotel. Look and what is it? People used to come and piss up and down. Look at. Don't look like a dating girl to you.
No, you are not dating. See, if I take you to a hotel now, people know your husband. People know me. They know my wife.
They know you. They know you. You cannot look for another place. It's inside one computer building. Look at everywhere.
Nobody can see us here. So we can just do it here. Quick thing. Don't worry. Next week, I'll take you to another state. You tell your husband you're going for convention. I tell my wife I'm going for business stuff. We go to another state.
See, this kind of I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Now look at me now. Leave me a beg. It's because of what I'm going inside here. Jesus! Chibi, I've seen.
Oh, God, what's happening now?
What's happening? What's happening? You leave wife for her? Okay, no problem. My husband.
Okay, come now.
What? You cannot settle it now.
No, the man you'll give you small thing, keep your mouth shut.
Small thing?
No.
Look. Small thing. If I slap you, okay. Small. You be like you don't know what I catch you they do.
Okay, take. See me for us. No, nothing dey here. See me for us. I go add better money.
She no hold anything when if you borrow from her.
Leave me alone.
Must be for us.
In the evening.
You add something. Better thing. Nice. Congratulations. Nice. My sister, no one also like Bio. You understand? Here even cool past hotel. You understand? I have one shit for this side. What they do? Man, they help on a local road.
Jesus! You're a stupid man. I'm gonna fire you. Nonsense.
Okay, if you don't start, where should
you can go and shit.
But I'll still come out so.
See, make sure you get in my favorite meat. Okay. Then you now add periwinkle to it.
Okay, well done, well done, sir. Well done, sir. I don't come. I believe find you. I know they see on it.
Okay. So, wait. Let me just give you.
Because every time I report, you know, door must lock. Wow! Thank you.
I will add to it tomorrow evening.
This one are rubbish now. Now rubbish be this one now. Okay, you give me 1,500 the other day. Today now you give me 1,000 for waiting now. Now see finish with this one now.
Did you buy anything?
I did not buy anything. Calm down now. Tomorrow I will add to it.
No, they tell me that no, tell me say you will add to it. That's I go to work call your myself every time. Even if you don't know the gravity of what I catch you they do. No, they tell me calm down. Okay, I catch you for complete building. You sleep with person with woman.
Yeah! You say you're cheating on me.
No, I'm not cheating on you. What are you saying now?
This marriage is over. So you're cheating on me.
Okay, complete my money for me, I beg. No, distress me. Can't rubbish bro this one.
Calm down now, baby.
Neighbor.
What is going on here?
You see, you want me to put it here. Okay, thank you. God will bless you so you come. Okay, here, listen, I catch this man for computer building with woman. They want knock. You understand? Yeah. He give me 1,500. Today now, he they give me 1,000. Man, shut up. 2,500. 2,500. Okay, answer this question. When they catch you and your wife, how much are they give me? Maybe you hear now because you behave anyhow. No. Just answer.
You say?
Yes, now. I don't feel like for your wife that she did. Because you this is so now see finish you give me so now see finish you they give me. Which kind of rubbish very so? Okay, you go complete that money. Not another joke.
You are running, Abi. Today now me and you will die here.
Madam, who won't balance me?